Okay, so to solve this parity problem, we will borrow from the 4x4x4 an algorithm that, after having solved all the top layer and all the layers, we are left with this situation here. So there's an algorithm that reverses these two, and it is like this. You move the two top layers. You do 2 up for the two layers, and now you 2R, and the front 2F, and then you move this middle layer 2 times, and then you do front 2 times back, and this side 2 times back, and you move the two top layers back, and you break or you solve the cube, or the situation that was posed in the first place. So here we will try to do the same thing, but we have to see that in fact this side does not move. So the side here that was my, let's say this one, I can move it on this cube, but on this cube this side cannot be moved. So we have to do this algorithm in a way. So first we will do this two top layers, we move them twice. And now I can't do this, but what I will do is that I will move all these blocks here like this, and I will move this like this, and I bring them back. So it's a kind of doing this side, but I did it on this side that moves. Then I will do this front, then this middle layer here I will move it twice, then I will do the front 2 times back, and now I cannot do this, but what I will do is I bring all these here, I move back, and I have solved my puzzle. Okay, so that's one of the parities that we could encounter on this kind of puzzle. We can solve it with an algorithm borrowed from the 4x4x4. Okay, another parity that we could have on this puzzle is one that also we could have on a 4x4, is to have only one edge to reverse, not two. So we know that on a 4x4x4 there's an algorithm that we do that reverses only this edge, keeping all the other edges intact. So it goes like this. You do 2R with these two layers to U, then you rotate, and you do 2R to U, no, up to U, down to U, down to U, down to U, up to U, down to U, and down. So this algorithm cannot be applied here, because when I will do these two up and then to U, I will rotate the puzzle like this, and I will start to work like this is my top layer, and this layer cannot be moved. In fact, I cannot rotate it. So I will not be able to apply the algorithm that I showed here on this. So I have to find a way to resolve this. So what I found is that one of the possibilities to do is to kick these two from here to up, keeping these two on this side. So we will move like this, two up, and then I will construct again the green layer. How can I construct this green layer? By aligning this like here, pushing this green, and then push it back. So I got the green solved. Now I have to solve here the white in the same way. So I move all these like this. I move white on this line. I move this up. I rotate, and I move down. And I am finally left with solving the blue here. So what I will do is that I will do like this. So it's blue, blue. Okay, I got it. So we have rebuilt our centers correctly. Okay, but we have disturbed some of the edges. We will do them again. It's not a big deal. Okay, so that would come here, and this like this, and like this. Okay, I have built again my edges. I will place them correctly. This is correct. I need, this is correct, and here I need orange and yellow. This is correct, and now I need to put here this guy. I have to reverse it another time. Up to you, down you, up to you, down, and now I put it from here to there. 2RU, 2R, U prime, 2R, and this guy would come here. I have to reverse it. Up to you, down you, up to you, down, up to you, down you, up to you, down. I have blue on the top, and now it will fit correctly in its place. And I have the cross now solved with all the green on the top. So I have found a way to do something that this algorithm that I showed on the 4x4 reverses these two edges. So all you have to do is to on the edge that you put the edge that needs to be flipped on this side, and you kick one color from here to top, and then you rebuild this face, and then this face, and this face, and at the end you will rebuild them all. And at the end after having rebuilt all the centers or faces, you have probably to do some edges to be redone. So we have seen that, and we have done it, and now we have the cross that is built. We have to now rotate or flip, okay, the corners. Up to you, down you, up to you, down. I put the correct one here. Up to you, down, up to you, down. I put the correct one here. Up to you, down, up to you, down. So now I have my corners that are all correctly fitted. Now I have to do an exchange here with white and red. So 2RU, 2RU, 2R2U, 2R2U, 2RU, 2RU prime, 2R. And I'm again with the first parity that we saw is to exchange these two. So what we do is we move these two like this. Now I need to move this face, but I cannot do it from here. So I will move all this block, this front 2 times. Then I move this block back, and this front 2 times, and then this middle layer 2 times, the front 2 times. Then I move all this block 2 times, and then that, and here it is built. So these are the parities that we could encounter on this kind of puzzle, and that we do not encounter on a 5x5, because we don't have parities on an odd puzzle. We only have them on a pair puzzle.